There's a remote, misty valley tucked deep in the mountains of central Norway where something absolutely unexplainable happens. Strange, glowing lights hover in the night sky, silent, colorful and moving in ways that defy everything we know about physics. They've been spotted hundreds of times. Sometimes they pulse softly above the ground. Other times they shoot through the sky at incredible speeds, vanishing in the blink of an eye. The place is called Hessdalen, and for over 40 years, scientists, military officials, and even UFO researchers have tried and failed to crack the code of this natural enigma. It all began back in the 1930s when locals started reporting strange sights in the skies above their small farming village. But in the early 1980s, the phenomenon exploded. People were seeing the lights several times a week, and the stories were just too frequent to ignore. That's when Project Hessdalen was launched. A team of scientists, engineers, and sky watchers came together to figure out what on Earth or beyond Earth was going on. What they discovered was both fascinating and deeply unsettling. The lights were real, not a trick of the eye, not a camera glitch. They appeared on radar. They triggered electromagnetic sensors. They emitted radio waves. In some cases, they even created physical effects on the environment like electromagnetic interference or strange burns on the ground. These weren't just lights, they were something else. But what? Some scientists believe the Hessdalen lights might be a rare atmospheric plasma caused by the unique geology of the valley. You see, the rocks under Hessdalen are rich in quartz and other minerals that can build up electrical charge. When those charges are released, possibly triggered by underground water or seismic stress, they might produce balls of plasma that hover in the air. Sounds plausible, right? But there's a problem. Plasma doesn't behave the way these lights do. Plasma doesn't zigzag at impossible speeds or hover perfectly still for minutes at a time. And it certainly doesn't respond to human interaction. That's right, many locals and researchers claim the lights sometimes react to them. Flash a camera or honk your car horn, and the light might flicker, change direction, or vanish entirely. That kind of behavior doesn't match any known natural phenomenon. Some observers have even seen the light split in two, merge back together, or move with what looks like intelligence. And here's where it gets really weird. During one scientific observation, a light was captured on multiple instruments simultaneously. Radar, infrared, and visual, all confirming its presence, speed, and energy output. This wasn't a dream or hallucination. It was a documented event, and it's not the only one. Now, despite decades of research, and even with help from major space agencies and universities, the mystery remains. NASA has quietly monitored the situation. The Norwegian military has visited the area, but no one gives clear answers. Are they just curious? Or is there something here they're not telling us? Some believe Hessdalen could be a unique energy hotspot on Earth, like the Bermuda Triangle or Skinwalker Ranch, where electromagnetic fields create strange phenomena we barely understand. Others go further, claiming the lights could be probes or crafts, advanced technology observing us, staying just far enough out of reach. It sounds like science fiction, until you watch the footage. Real videos show lights forming perfect triangles, moving against the wind, and glowing with power far beyond a flashlight or drone. And yet, after all this time, we still don't know. We still don't understand what we're witnessing. So what do you think is happening in Hessdalen? Is it an undiscovered natural phenomenon, a glitch in the Earth's energy grid, or something not of this world? One thing's for sure, the Hessdalen lights are one of the most compelling unsolved mysteries on our planet. And the more we learn, the more questions we uncover. If you love stories that push the boundaries of science and reality, make sure to drop a comment with your theory, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the strangest and most fascinating corners of our world. Because sometimes the truth really is stranger than fiction. Want to know what I use to make these videos? Look at my link.